Good evening from Callaway Gardens here at the Robin Lake Beach Pavilion. And everyone is here. We're waiting for the fireworks to go off under this beautiful structure here. I'll tell you an interesting fact about this structure. According to Wikipedia, this beautiful parasol-style structure was completed in 1958 for Robin Lake Beach area here at Callaway Gardens in Pine Mountain, Georgia. And it's very, very unique. It's held together with cement. And it has beautiful light domes up there to give ample light in the summer. What they used to do back in the 50s is they used to hang stuff down from these light domes. I just saw an old photo of the pavilion from that time era. And everyone is out here. We're enjoying New Year's Eve here at Callaway Gardens. And we are waiting for the fireworks to go off. Everyone is here. We're eating. We're having a great time. The fireworks will be going off right over there on the water. So we'll get a great view of it in just a second. They even have their kazoobies ready over there. This is a wonderful experience here in Pine Mountain, Georgia. I'll take you out this way to the beach area where everyone is heading, and they are just about to let the fireworks off. Woo! Just about to. I love those red blinking lights on that pavilion. In just a few more hours, it's going to be the Roaring 20s. We're coming into 2020, so it's a big celebration out here. Everyone's here. Everyone's enjoying New Year's Eve on Robin Lake Beach at Callaway Gardens. Way out there, I noticed some folks with some flashlights. Okay, I think I know why the guys with the flashlights are out there. They just unplugged the Robin Lake Beach light displays out there. And I will link the full show in the comments below, in the description below. Alright, there's a four-wheeler out there now. Okay, the lights across the lake, Robin Lake, have just been turned off. Okay, it started! Whoa! There we go! Woo! Everybody out here's cheering. Oh, that was pretty. Wow. Wow. A bow tie. Oh, yeah. Wow. 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 Oh, yeah. Wow. Oh, my gosh. was a beautiful, beautiful fireworks display right here at Robin Lake Beach. Oh, it's more? Oh, that was great. That was great. Awesome. Yeah. There's another one. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And most importantly, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That was very beautiful. And thank y'all so much for watching. And Happy New Year.